Eastern Washington has provided an environment that's helped me really grow and be successful. I feel like it really gives me a lot of confidence to start applying the skills that I've actually learned when I'm going to practice. I'm Angie Ramirez, and I am a second-year student in the Master's of Occupational Therapy program at Eastern Washington University. Coming in for a first year, I did do some volunteer work, but I didn't necessarily have that hands-on experience as much. And just seeing how more confident I am every time I show up to an intervention, it just speaks for itself about how that hands-on experience has really helped me develop that confidence and maybe like that clinical judgment in myself. I chose occupational therapy because it's client-centered, it's very holistic, and you're able to see the person as a whole through many lenses.
Our mission is to create well-rounded, person-centered occupational therapists. What that means is our students can start their career anywhere that they want to start it, and we've given them enough skills to get going. Our program functions as a cohort model, so once you enter the program, you stay with that same group of people throughout the program, and our curriculum is built in that fashion.
We kind of have a small cohort. We are only a group of about 27, and we do so many activities together, and I think we've all gotten really close. I definitely have some best friends that I've made. The professors are very passionate. Not only are they really passionate with instilling us as students, but they are also very passionate about the community that they're in.
We pride ourselves on being a community-driven program. So we have some really strong connections with our community, and we bring our students out into the community, or we bring the community to them.
This program has really helped me and set me up to be successful in the field of occupational therapy for all of their hands-on learning and also for making those relationships within the community.
Angie is the type of student that we hope chooses EWOT program. She's the type of student that you can always find leaning forward into that educational opportunity.
Eastern Washington has provided an environment that's helped me really grow and be successful. I think it really has established some real experiences and something I can really take with me.